You may or may not have heard of the terms A-roll and B-roll in relation to video production. What do these terms mean? Well, the difference is probably best described in documentary-style videos. A-roll refers to video footage that is typically the primary source of attention. In a documentary, it's typically a person being interviewed. In this video, you're watching A-roll right now. I'm the person talking. B-roll refers to cutaways or footage that is secondary but adds context to what is being talked about. If we're talking about dogs, for instance, we could cut into a shot of a dog like this. What you see on the screen now is B-roll. Now you see A-roll. That's the difference. This is a very basic strategy in video production and editing when you're telling a story. Keep it in mind when you're planning your videos.